Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to disable moisture detected on a Samsung phone. Firstly, on your Samsung device, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap the downward facing arrow with 3 horizontal lines next to your apps. Select Show System Apps, then tap OK. Now in the list, search for USB settings and tap on USB settings to open its details. Now tap on Storage and select Clear Cache at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after clearing the cache, plug in your charger again. The moisture warning should now disappear. If the warning still appears, restart your phone or change it in safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.